Today we're going to learn how to make split effect in Premiere Pro. We will do this with only one effect and make split screen effect. You can make your own design and layout after seeing this video. Let's start now with Effect Workspace on Premiere Pro. Our sequence timeline has been ready according to Full HD video format. Now we will import all video footages and we'll set them on timeline one by one. We will make a new color matte in green shade and will contain its dimension in square shape. We can make 1920 by 1920. We will drag into timeline and will rotate and adjust this according to our design. Our one footage has been split and set in bottom left of the video canvas. Now we will apply this effect to all video's footage. We will make green matte and will apply green screen key and convert into nest. New we have arranged 4 nest layers and split effect has been done. We can make a combine nest for group purpose also. Split screen almost done. Then we will make white stroke to prominent our partition. We can use white mat or pen tool. Our job has been done. Hope you will like my video. Keep in touch with me for more tricks and tips. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon also for further videos. Thank you for watching.